remember when we were designing 566 dams, when I was in NRCS, you know, there are earthquake zones in Kansas. And we had to deal with that in certain locations, that those cracks are kind of scary because there are earthquakes happening in Kansas, and that could be a reason for some of that. Okay, now here's the other one that could be just as much of a concern: a longitudinal crack going down the path or parallel to the center line of the dam, and that could be a precursor to a total failure of that slope. In other words, when it moves, it's going to start moving at the top, like I say, diluted area and deposit downstream. And over time, this monitoring needs to make sure that thing's not getting any worse, because that is a serious issue. That's a serious issue. I hope nobody has any of those to deal with. Downstream, usually the first time it comes to somebody's attention is when the farmer's crop field is just downstream of the dam and is totally saturated after the dam's built. And these things occur. We're hoping that it's a surface issue, that proper drainage that didn't get the water off there, but it could be internal. It could be something that a designer didn't feel like the seepage potential is great enough to put a drainage system in the dam, but all of a sudden he says, oops, maybe I should have, and things like this. So saturation areas and preliminary to the slides and sloughing are just good indicators.